So folks, these things came to me from somebody, and I'm constantly buying these things. These are Gillette razors. Hopefully there's no blades in them. I didn't even check. This is it's a Gillette, made in England. I think I already have all these. Oh, this is a 3-piece. Okay. If you don't know anything about these Gillette razors, 3 pieces are the ones that come in 3 pieces. These are what they have the barn doors. And see, I have a ton of these. These are, look, if they haven't even been cleaned. You can tell when they've never been cleaned or oiled. They are hard to screw because the dirt gets inside. This is made in England also. Pretty good. This is an adjustable Gillette. I think I have 1 or 2 of these. Where's this one made? Oh, made in USA. That one's made in USA, and this one, I think I have 2 or 3 of these ones. This is a 3-piece. Oh yeah, it's a 3-piece. If you ever use one of these things, you get the greatest shave in these things. They are cheap. Oh, this one's made in Canada. See, this is the Canadian one. I tell everybody, if you actually use these things and get one, buy a couple of them, the vintage ones, because none of these will shave the same. And depending on your face, you don't need a freaking blade that bends. Because you really think those new Mach 3 ones conform to your face? Like, my face is made of concrete. My face will bend flat quicker than the stupid new Gillette Mach 3s will bend on my face, which is so stupid. So yeah, it's a nice little Gillette logo there. I don't know if you can see this. But like I said in a previous video, see, this one's knurled one way, and the knurling in this one's like really small. And a lot of times you can tell by the date. I didn't look these up first, but this one has a different knurl pattern than this one. And sometimes these ones, this one's the identical one. Let's see, what's the date thing on it? See, British Pet number 4030. Yeah, these are both the same. These are 2 identical ones. And then this one has, some of them have a different kind of knurling. They'll put a notch here, they'll put a double notch, they'll put X amount of lines, but they all have different knurlings. And I'll try these out, I'll clean them off, I'll dunk them and stuff, and I'll just try them out. And I probably have just as many as these as I do vice grips. And I'll try them out, I'll probably sell some in my store. Or I'll end up dropping dead with the largest collection of Gillette razors. Somebody could have a Gillette farm these days. But yeah, they're really cool. They work great. And the blades are really cheap. If you want to not mortgage your house and shave, I recommend buying a, double-edged razor. Because they are a lot cheaper. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't send me any money because I'm not charging. So enjoy.